Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Today is going to be interesting. Went on my walk, seen some lady trying to load some stuff in her car. I'm thinking, man, she done got thrown out this early in the morning. Had this big old chair trying to get into a Pontiac. I said, ma'am, you are not going to get that chair in there. She asked me to help her, so I kind of was messing around just to let her see. You're going to have to get a truck or something. So she determined to get this chair in here. I said, wait a minute. Is this your chair, or did you find this sitting on the curb somebody throwing out? And she said, well, I see all this stuff out here on the curb. Oh, man. I'm done. If you're going to be a scrounger, you need to get you a truck. You can't be trying to jam this big old stuff in that car and then dragging strangers in on it like it's yours and you trying to scrounge. Gonna be an interesting day. That wasn't even 7 o'clock. Here we go, folks. Pull apart, looking for something special. Man, this place looks pretty nice. Up here in Indianapolis. Pull apart. Car is nice and spaced apart. Looks like a 940 there. There's supposed to be an 850 out here. We're going to see if it's got anything good and special on it. Whoop, whoop. Look what John Wart dragged me up here for. A slick top 850. As basic as they get. Stripped down version. Say hi, John.
Would you like some snacks?
Oh, I don't think so. And bam, we got action. That will not be here in 1 hour. Everything out of in here, and we are just about done out here. 114 millimeter. We should be able to slide that transmission off of there. Besides that lovely spider there, be good, little spider. We got that transmission back there in them pedals. Here I am, folks, on my way home from the salvage yard. I'm getting my gas down in my tank because I don't want this tank having too much gas in it when I pull this rear end out of Panther. So I have about a gallon, maybe 2 in here. As you can see, my ABS and Trax lights is on, so I'm going to try to fix that when I replace this rear end. Just on my way home. Here looking at this 2000 S70, local person has a bunch of error codes, mostly related to the ABS module and transmission. Looks like it needs some lights, especially that left light. That thing has got to be very dim. It's got a fender pushed in here. The antenna is stopped. The handle is torn out of the ceiling on the other side. The knee booster panel is tore out under the dash. The leather's all worn off, or the vinyl is, off of the armrest. And we'll see what else got going on here. I'm going to replace this ABS module. Alright, this vehicle is saying it's missing the rear wheel sensors. So we'll see if that clears up. I changed the module. These are the only ones we got. We're going to clear those, run the car through a cycle, take it for a test drive, and see if that stays away. Throttle position sensor came back up, so I might have to find one of those. Need a battery clip, and we need a fuel door over there, and we're checking on timing belt, and we need a cap for this power steering pump, and something's clunking around in the suspension. Tie rod ends or control arms, something's clunking around down there. but the ABS module seemed to have fixed the ABS issue. The only light left is the ETM light, ETS light. And it has one of those wheels instead of one of these wheels. And the hood is not popping up on its own. It needs a little help. And this little vacuum line on the back of the air box is loose. This little black one. Need to figure out where that goes. Probably needs a tune-up. She's running 5W30 in here. The owner's manual recommends 10W30, so she's going to change that. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.